In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a neem soap for acne prone skin. This soap will help you clear eczema and it will help signs of aging as well. It helps remove not dandruff, because this is for the face. It helps remove acne, eczema, all this kind of blemishes on your skin. So this soap is so good, and if you're having so much breakout, this is for you. So we are going to use neem leaf, which I have grinded to powder. Like I say, neem will take away every of blemishes, acne, and breakouts on your skin. I have grinded it. This is the grinded one, and I'm also going to use this pink salt, Himalayan salt, and I'll be using glycerin soap. So you can get any glycerin soap of your choice and you are good to go. So you want to cut all the glycerin soap, carefully cut it, avoid cutting your hand. Just make sure you cut them by bits, depending on the texture of the soap that you're going to use. Make sure you use glycerin soap. Do not use harder soaps, because if you use harder soaps, it will take forever to melt and you would not like it. So this one will take up to 20 minutes or more, depending on the soap you are using, or even lesser. Some can take less. I do not use microwave for this. So in a bowl, I added a little bit of this grounded neem. So you can add it once you want in the pan. You can even add it later. Just cover it and allow it to melt. After melting, add the neem, and then you have to add also the salt, and then you're going to stir it vigorously. Make sure they are incorporated together and you are good to go. This soap will help you remove those acne. This is a very cheap and effective way also to clear acne prone skin, especially in teenager. When you have a teenage children and their faces are getting rough, this soap will help them very well. Make sure you do not add any fragrance to this soap, as you want to clear those blemishes from your skin. You can allow this soap to sit for up to a week or more than a week, and after then you can also start using it. Wash your face with it twice daily and you are good to go. Thank you for watching.